Hi, this is going to be a quick video looking at LinkedIn search capabilities in the mobile app. So if you want to search, as you can see, for people, jobs, posts, and more, if you tap on the search bar at the top, you will see these options. You can search for people, jobs, content, and the best way to start is with a keyword. So let me just type in select coach here. And when I hit the magnifying glass to search, you'll see it brings up all, which always starts with jobs, then people. But you have the choice of all, people, the jobs tab, content, which can be helpful if you're looking for articles around certain topics, companies, groups, and schools. So let's say I'm looking for people that are coaches. If I hit these three horizontal bars in the upper right, this brings us to the filters, and you can filter by how you're connected, your first, second, or third degree connections. You can also search by someone's name to look for connections. So if I type in Joe Rojas, it'll search for connections of Joe. If I want to narrow it down by location, I can do that. By current or past company, by industry, I can do that, or by schools. So let's use professional coaching and then tap on done in the upper right. And this will come back with, in this case, it's shared connections between Joe and I that have coaching in their profile. So I just tapped on the bars in the upper right again to bring us back to filters. Let me X out of that. And to use one other example, say I wanted to search for second degree connections of mine, people I'm not directly connected to, let me try this. Well, let's try Greater St. Louis area. And I want these to be, let's just use professional training and coaching in the interest of time here. And I just click done in the upper right. So this is bringing back second degree connections. Should be in the Greater St. Louis area with coach in their profile. So as you can see, you could spend a lot of time in this particular capability of LinkedIn, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how you can use search in the mobile app. So hope this helps, and have an awesome day.